Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking in with Apple, and the bulls showed up. They must have heard me talking smack about them the past few days. So big bullish volume. We saw early on that Apple was stronger than the market, and we have not seen that in a long time. So that certainly stood out bright as day that Apple was bullish and more bullish than the S&P 500. So we had some information from a member that the semiconductor for Apple released earnings and increased guidance, which gives some insight that potentially Apple will anticipate increased iPhone sales. Whatever it may be, bulls showed up behind volume, closed above the upper Bollinger Band 98.72, and we're looking at the 100-day moving average resistance of 99.74. This is exactly the shot in the arm that the bulls needed. Still seeing lower highs on the daily time frame, but we now have a shot breaking out above the upper Bollinger Band to change this trend. And what we're going to need is $100, the psychological level, as support. Weekly time frame, we're going to see an increase in volume due to this high volume day. That's a good sign. And we're going to test this middle Bollinger Band resistance potentially tomorrow, depending on how strong the bull continuation is. 99.74. So we've got 99.74, 99.74. Pretty rare. They're lining up to the same penny, 100-day and middle Bollinger Band weekly. That's going to be a tough resistance, and bulls are going to need high volume again, over 35 million, I would say, to be able to break above that level and turn it into support. So a nice bullish day today, and watching that key resistance, and we're looking at these lower highs. So if the bulls get over 100 and ideally over 173 cents, we're going to keep working on filling this gap up to 103.28. Don't forget about that gap there. That's going to be a target if we break that $100 level. So key resistance to keep an eye on. Bulls are strong, looking for momentum to continue, and you'll be able to tell if that momentum is there tomorrow by the volume that shows up in the first hour. Compare it to the first hour of volume today, and see how it shapes up, and see if we're going to get another high volume day. We'll check back in tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. Congrats to the bulls.